Now let's talk about paper formatting. There are a few rules for how to format a paper in MLA style. MLA does not use a title page. The paper will be double-spaced. You'll use the Times New Roman font in 12-point size. You'll center the title with no bold, no underline, no italics, no caps, no quotation marks, just centered title. You'll put a header in the upper right-hand corner. That includes your last name followed by a space with the page number. The first page will list these before the title: your name, your instructor's name, the name of the course, and the date. Also note that your professor might have alternatives to these rules, so follow any guidelines your instructors give you. Your eye will learn what it should look like, and it'll get easier over time. For now, you should always use a sample paper to compare to. Purdue OWL has one with instructions written right on it. There are also video and other guides available for formatting a paper in MLA. Click Next in the Canvas module to proceed. You'll practice formatting the first page of an MLA paper.